how you can change app icon size on your iPhone. But before I show you guys how to do that, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's get started. So the first thing you'll want to do is open up your settings. Now after you open your settings, scroll down till you see display and brightness option. Tap on it and there you will see different options like text size and bold text. Now if you want to increase the text size, just tap on increase text size and you'll be able to increase it from here. But to increase the icon size, you'll have to scroll down all the way and see the display section. Tap on display zoom and there you will see the larger text option. Tap on it and you're done. Select use zoomed. That is all for the video guys. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, hit the like button down below and check out our other content on our YouTube channel and stay tuned for more. Bye bye.